After the beautiful weekend we had, now it looks like wet weather is going to be returning, and we're facing it right now as we look to the west. You can see the storm system that is going to be responsible for the changes to our weather. But more immediately, you can see how nice it is and how variant it has been today. If you were near the shoreline, especially out near New London's very edge, if you went to Avery Point, and then if you were to take the ferry, you'd notice that temperatures were really cold out over the water, only around 50. It's now 49. Notice how as you work inland like Durham, it was a little bit milder yet in West Hartford at 68, and Wolcott was at 69. A few towns got to near 70. So the farther inland, the warmer it was. You can see how our iCam over Hartford now is showing more clouds in the sky. Same thing over Torrington. And you can see, as we take a look elsewhere across the state, here's New Haven, starting to get that sense that there's a storm coming in because the clouds have filled in a little bit more, and they'll continue to through the rest of the overnight. That will help to suspend temperatures from going too far down. They'll be in the 40s overnight, and with that, the chance for rain will come alive, especially after 2 or 3 in the morning. That's when we think we're going to start to see the wet weather. So through the rest of the evening, it is going to be dry. It's just going to be increasingly cloudy. Then tomorrow, we are expecting to see rain, especially during the morning. That'll cut out during the late morning. We'll have a mainly cloudy sky for the most part. However, if we see some breaks of cloud cover, and the best chance of that would be across southwestern Connecticut, that's where we would see temperatures into the middle and upper 60s and maybe touching on 70 degrees, although that is debatable. It's a tough forecast because it really depends on if we get at least a little bit of sun through those clouds, where the best chances in southwestern Connecticut, and it's how far north does this warm front that's supposed to move through get through. And very often those things kind of get snagged and give us a little bit of run for our money in the forecast. You can see how we are expecting the farther north and east we are, the cooler it will be. Places like Vernon will be in the low to mid 60s, same thing with Willimantic and Norwich, and Putnam might only be at about 59 tomorrow. Now our satellite and radar will show that, again, the storm system that's going to cause this is out to the west. There's going to be one batch of rain moving through, but also notice, once this batch of rain has moved through, out farther to the west, yes, skies do clear, but there is enough instability out here that showers and thunderstorms are erupting. So we will have the similar cycle with this system here too, that once the morning rains happen tomorrow, then once that ends, if we see any warming at all, we could see an isolated shower or thunder shower during the afternoon tomorrow. So here's our Futurecast tomorrow's weather today. Here's 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. See how it's raining? You can see here's about 7:15 in the morning. We have rain, sometimes heavy, and it's still raining, especially across eastern Connecticut at 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning. Closer to noon, if there are any showers, they're kind of ending, and then the afternoon will have a partly to mostly cloudy sky. And then here's that chance again for maybe an isolated shower or a thunder shower. If the sun pops out, and we see that the air gets unstable, that isolated shower, thunder shower is certainly possible during the afternoon tomorrow. So we'll include it in the early warning 7-day forecast. And then Tuesday too, I think what we'll have is maybe some showers in the morning. We might see some peekaboo sunshine during the afternoon. Highs will be in the 60s to maybe near 70 again. There could be a late day shower, thunderstorm, but there's less instability on Tuesday, so I haven't included it in the 7-day forecast officially. Once that's left, we do see clear sailing for Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 50s. Late Friday into Saturday morning, another chance for showers. All right.